New Year, everyone. I just want to take this opportunity to wish you a wonderful new year ahead and to introduce you to some of my family of mess makers that inspire all these videos. So thank you very much for watching and for your support. Happy New Year, Eden.
Happy New Year, Mum.
What's your cleaning resolution for the year?
Oh, keep my room clean.
Oh, that's a good idea.
That's great.
That's a good
Thanks,
idea.
Mum.
Happy New Year, Zach.
Happy New Year.
And what's your cleaning resolution for the year?
Make cleaning a resolution.
Oh, what's your
My cleaning goal for this year is to have that front room cleaner.
keep it clean. Now that is
It
a
involves
great idea.
teamwork.
A lot.
Teamwork is the dream work.
It is.
Right.
Brothers, unite.
Stay clean, Brisbane.
Leon, what's your cleaning resolution for the year?
Keep my room clean.
Oh, you're so creative. Aaron and Theo. Come on.
Keep my room clean.
What's your cleaning goal for the year, Tahi?
Just to have the clean space, clean mind.
Yes.
Keep my
Right.
room clean. Keep my mind clean.
Yes, that's a good one.
Clean the house 3 times a week.
Happy New Year, Ebony.
Happy New Year, Lisa.
Do you have a cleaning resolution?
Yes.
Oh, I know what it is. Watch more cleaning videos from Active Domestics. I knew it. Thank you.